Sup, Kia Too Technical. I'm back again with another video. I'm just recording on my Oneplus 12 using the front facing camera. So just let me know what you think about the quality of this video. I'm at this little nature national park here where I stay. I wanted to get some footage on my Oneplus 12 for you guys, so I hadn't had a chance to do that. I hadn't had a chance to do that. So this is what the Oneplus 12 looks like using your front-facing camera. We all know that using the front-facing camera is not the best cameras to use. It's your rear-facing camera, but it still looks okay to me. So just let me know what you think about the quality of this video. Right now I'm just handheld, so let me know if it's shaky. I know it's better to use the Oneplus 12 on a tripod for a little bit more steady view, but I just wanted to show you what the capability of recording using the front facing camera on the Oneplus 12 would look like. So this is what it looks like. In the comment section below, let me know some of your thoughts, and I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.